Hi friends, the seat adjustment handle on my car broke. They brought it to me and asked me to make something similar so I could use the adjustment. You can see that one of the handles is broken. Then I designed a 3D model that's somewhat similar to the original handle. I also made notches for easy rotation. On the back, I made lugs that will interlock when rotating. Now let's look at the result after I 3D printed the handle. And here's the result. This is what my seat adjustment handle looks like. Unfortunately, I didn't have the same color plastic, so I used black. You can see the top view and the view from a distance. Here's another idea for what you can make with a 3D printer.